Key performance indicators, KPIs, are measurable values that demonstrate how effectively a company is achieving its key business objectives. KPIs help track progress in achieving strategic goals, identify areas of success, and highlight where improvements are needed. Common examples of KPIs are revenue growth, customer satisfaction scores, operating efficiency, ROI, market share, cash flow, employee turnover rate, etc. Note that organizations must use KPIs at multiple levels for the data to be useful. The high-level KPIs must focus on the overall performance of the business, while low-level KPIs must offer detailed insights into specific processes and activities within each department of the organization. Also, the low-level KPIs must be aligned with the high-level KPIs so that daily operations contribute towards achieving the broader business objectives. By using a strategic mix of high-level and low-level KPIs, organizations must improve processes, thereby reducing costs, fostering business growth and continuous improvement. KPIs support operational excellence by providing clear benchmarks for success, guide in decision-making, and help align all activities across the organization to achieve strategic objectives efficiently and effectively.